The Bridjit curb ramp fits any with rolled curb driveway and comes in a standard 3-section set that is 12 feet long that will work for most driveways and home uses. However, if you have an especially wide driveway or a narrow street, you may need to purchase one or more additional 4-foot sections as required to meet the needs of your driveway. Installation of the Bridjit curb ramp requires basic hand tools, a hammer, screwdriver, dustpan, broom, and a shortboard. After cleaning the area, you'll lay out the ramp using the configuration shown here. Flipping over the ramp, you'll attach the sections together using the included bolts, safely following the instructions that come with the ramp. Due to the sturdy construction of the ramp, you'll need 2 people to put the Bridjit curb ramp into position on your curb. Now that your Bridjit curb ramp is installed, you're ready to experience the smooth benefit of pulling into your driveway without any jolting, jarring, or scraping.
Particularly with the yellow car you see behind me, I have to be very, very careful and go at an angle that doesn't hurt anything. And unfortunately, I've made some mistakes, and I just got done getting that stuff repainted. Going up and down the curb today in that car was absolutely great. I can't believe, how easy it is, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. I think that they're very, very easy to work on. I think anybody can push those bolts through those holes and put nuts on there. I think my wife could put it together without a problem. To build a car and just set it in the garage doesn't do it for me. So I need to drive them. So it'll be nice to be able to drive these cars in and out without worrying about them now.
It's one of the easiest things we've ever had to take care of. My husband just flips it over, and then we take a broom and sweep out the water residue or the leaves, and then just flip it back down again. Just takes a few minutes.